Everyone's heard of ChatGPT. It's everywhere. You can ask it anything and boom, it gives you a perfect answer. Most people use the free version and honestly, it's already amazing. You can write essays, translate texts, brainstorm ideas, and even create full scripts. But then there's ChatGPT Pro, and people say it's a game changer. So what's actually different, and is it worth paying for in 2025? Let's start with the free version. It's simple, fast, and perfect for everyday use. You can chat endlessly, ask questions, and get help with almost anything. But the free version has limits. During busy times, it can slow down or even refuse to load. It also uses an older model, GPT 3.5, which isn't as sharp or creative as the new one. It struggles with long conversations, complex context, or heavy tasks like summarizing long PDFs or analyzing data. Now, ChatGPT Pro, that's where things get interesting. For about $20 a month, you unlock GPT-5, which is noticeably faster, smarter, and more consistent. It understands complex prompts, writes more naturally, and gives you better structured answers. Pro users also get access to the newest tools like image generation, file uploads, voice chat, and even code-based tasks. Plus, it's always available. No waiting screens, no slowdowns. The speed difference alone is crazy. With Pro, responses appear instantly, even when millions of users are online. And the creativity? Way higher. GPT-5 can write in specific tones, create video ideas, analyze spreadsheets, or even act as a personal assistant. It's basically like upgrading from a regular car to a supercar. So, is Pro worth it? If you use ChatGPT casually for quick questions, the free version is perfectly fine. But if you rely on it daily for work, studying, or content creation, Pro saves time, boosts quality, and gives you way more flexibility. Bottom line, free ChatGPT is great, but ChatGPT Pro in 2025, it's faster, smarter, and totally worth it if you want the full AI experience.